Welcome to Gary Auto Care. We have another episode. Right now I have this vehicle. Let me show you the logo. Chrysler. This vehicle has a problem with check engine, number 2 ABS, handbrake, and ESP. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that. Apart from that, this window doesn't function. You know, the vehicle is on, but the windows does not function. Let me show you. So another thing, wiper, there's no wiper. Another thing, the horn. So today I'm going to show you how to solve. I'm going to start with fuses. So let's go and see. The fuses on the boot, I went one by one. I got that the small fuses are okay. So the problem was the big fuses, but before that I had to measure the earth. The ground were okay. I found out that the big fuses was blown, so I had to loop with copper wire temporary. Another thing, in front we had 3 fuses that were blown. Let me show you. You very carefully see, like that. So I had to do the same thing. After doing that, I went back to confirm, and I find out everything is working perfect. So the main problem was the fuses, even the horn, the windows, wipers, everything resumed to work the way it's supposed to work. So today it was not complicated. It was easy to figure out. See, horns is working, wipers, water, everything is working perfect. Even if I start the vehicle, no ABS, no check engine, everything is working perfect. See, everything's working perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.